Hello friends. Have you thought how hackers, security analysts, pen testers, police, crime investigators, journalists find which technology is used in a website for their investigation? Don't worry. You can also find the technologies used in the websites like investigators to using Wappalyzer extension in Firefox browser. You can also find the technologies. So let's see how to get this extension and use it. So open the Firefox browser and navigate to top right corner. There are three horizontal lines. Click on that and there is one option extensions and themes. Through this way also you can go to the extension settings, and another option is there is this symbol is here for extensions. If you hover your mouse here it will show extensions. So I'm going through this like so in search bar search Wappalyzer. Wappalyzer. Open the first one. Wappalyzer identify technologies on websites. So in if you scroll down, they have given some screenshots about the extensions, what it can do. In about section, they have mentioned Wappalyzer is a browser extension that uncovers the technologies used on websites. It detects content management system, e-commerce platforms, web servers, JavaScript frameworks, analytic tools, and many more. So 4.4 rating is there and 543 reviews are there, and 1,30,000 plus users are using this extension. So how to add? So click on the add to Firefox button to add to your browser. So it will take few seconds. So it will open one small window here. Required permissions it will give. It will show here. It will access your website data and browser tabs. Don't worry, it will not take your data anything. Click on the allow extension to run in private windows also. It will run in incognito also if you want to run, or if you don't want you can keep as it is. The setting is optional. So click on add button to add to browser. So it will pop up on one window. Wappalyzer technology profiler was added. Click on OK. So post adding, let's see how to use this one. So we can see the Wappalyzer.com site also. From extensions, open the Wappalyzer. Here it will show the list of extensions you have. Click on it. So it will show all technologies used in this website like JavaScript frameworks. It is using two Nuxt.js, Vue, then CDN content delivery network, Cloudflare, and Amazon CloudFront, issue trackers, uptime robot, payment processors, Stripe, video players, Vimeo, live chat, Crisp live chat, security, reCAPTCHA, HSTS, static site generators, web framework, JavaScript libraries, miscellaneous, payment as a service, Amazon Web Services. So all technologies it is showing here. So you can export also. If you would like to see in night mode, you can click on this moon button. It will change to night mode. In more info, you can log in to Wappalyzer and you can use your API key for API. There is premium services are also available. So let's see for another website. So I will go Tesla. So let's open Tesla website. This https://www.tesla.com. Okay, so it's loaded. Again, same procedure. Open the extension and you can see which technologies used in this website. CMS, caching, JavaScript frameworks, React, programming language, use PHP. This website is made in PHP, issue trackers, CDN they are using Akamai, security, HSTS, JavaScript libraries, miscellaneous, performance. This way you can check the technologies used in websites. If you would like to remove, you can follow the same process to open the extension settings. Top right corner horizontal three lines, extension and themes. Then search the Wappalyzer, enter, open it, and there is option to remove it. If you click on remove, it will remove from your browser. Thank you.